So site plan. I'm going to move my clipping plane. I really don't need it there right now. So for the site plan, it's really easy. You're just going to go to the very top view, make a 2D of that. Let's start. So I'm going to say select this whole thing. Select the entire project here and say Make2D. Top view, yes. Say OK. And there's my site plan. And I'm going to move my site plan over here, right next to my perspective. Okay. And here's what we're going to do. The site plan really, this surface is, the top of the slope is supposed to be flush with this, right? So what I'm going to do then is erase that line. Okay, and I'm going to extend these two, I'm going to extend that line up. So let's go ahead and extend to this limit, that guy. Okay. And I'm going to trim, or just let's just fill it at 0 degrees. Okay, it's okay if they join, that guy and that guy. So now you can really tell that this is the same surface, right? You're on top of the hill, you come in, and you walk onto the bridge before you begin to circulate. Let's go ahead and get rid of this line because it's kind of confusing, right? And fill it this, that way. And let's go ahead and get rid of some of these lines here as well, because again, they're confusing. And then we're just going to fillet those together. So let's fillet that edge. Okay, and then we're going to need to clean up some stuff here as well. So what am I looking at here? I'm going to get rid of that floor thing because that's flush with the base. Don't need that. I'm going to get rid of some lines here. Actually, I'm going to keep those the way they are, and I'm going to get rid of that line. This comes in, folds over. Yeah, I'm going to get rid of that. I'm going to extend this over. I'm going to delete this. Okay, then I'm going to cheat that line from there to there. Let's go ahead and fill it here. This line shouldn't appear here, so I'm going to trim these guys. Then I'm going to fillet these guys together. Let's go ahead and delete this. And if this is the edge of a floor, which it is, I should be able to see that line here. And let's extend it out. Okay, that makes sense to me. This I can't tell what it is, so I'm going to go check it out in my roof plan. I still can't tell, So I'm going to go to my perspective a little bit. Oh, I see. Okay, this guy turns around and this guy's way in the background. So let's go here. So I'm going to get rid of this guy, because that's a surface that comes around and turns and becomes this wall as it curves down. I'm going to get rid of this, extend, like so. Okay, it just so happens that this kind of aligns with that, but it's a little confusing. If that bothers you, again, you can cheat this a little bit and nobody's going to know. You can rotate. You can move this whole assembly forward. That line and that line and that line can move forward. So that doesn't align with that angle, and that could be cleaner for you, right? So I'm going to leave it this way for now. And later I might decide to get rid of the stairs because they're also a little bit confusing. Trim. And I think I'm going to, oh, right here. So this offset here was for your model, right? But this drawing is not of a model. This drawing is of the site plan. So delete the stuff that is model based. So I'm going to delete that bump there, delete that bump there, delete that bump there. And I'm just going to extend my lines out. Extend to this limit, that slope. Oh, come on, extend. Like so. Okay, and then later in AutoCAD, you'll make this into a property line, and that's your site plan.